Hello, I'm Kathy Goodson with Goodson Vintage Treasures, and I want to show you how to make your snowman with your snowman kit. When you get your kit, you're going to have several things in it. You'll have a little bag with 3 snowflake stencils, some string, and some little bottles of paint. You'll have white for your snowman, pink for his cheeks, orange for his nose, and black for his face details and for the stenciling snowflakes. You'll have 3 little sets of snowmen. You can match them up. The one with the 2 holes, like this, is always going to be your middle. So you want to match them up. One with 1 hole at the top is your bottom, and the one with the hook on it is your top. So there's how you make your little snowman. So this one has 2 holes, this one has 1, and this one has 1. This one has 1, 2, it's a little one, and 1, and this one has 1. You'll have 3 snowmen. So I'm going to show you how to do it and follow the steps, and you can make your own snowman. Follow these steps for each one of your snowmen. You want to paint your surface of your little snowman white. You can leave a little trim around the edge, the little natural color, or you can paint the whole thing white. You'll need a medium-sized little brush for this. I put my white paint out on the plate, but you can use it out of your little pot. You want to paint each piece. Once you have your 3 little pieces painted and they're dry, it's time to put a face on them. I have a link to a Pinterest page where I have a whole bunch of snowman faces that I have pinned that you can look at for real cute faces. Or you can paint it just like this one. Take a paintbrush, a small paintbrush, and dip the end of the paintbrush in the black paint. This is how you make his eyes. Next, use a fine pointed brush, and you want to make his smile. And to do this, I use the orange, which is Summer Crush. You want to dip your brush into it, and you want to paint just a little straight line. And then to make the carrot nose, you just make it a little bit wider at the back. It's kind of like a little long triangle. And that makes his nose. Next, you'll wash your brush and dip it in the black paint. And you want to make him a little smile. You could use the end of the brush to make dots, or you can make a little smile like I did. Again, there are lots of samples on the Pinterest link. Now you want to get your little stencils of snowflakes out and choose the one that you would like to use on your snowman. You'll also want to get your little sponge out and dip the sponge into the black paint. You want to hold your little stencil down with one hand and stencil with the sponge. When you dip the sponge into the black paint, do not have too much paint. If it looks wet, wipe it off. Here I dabbed it on a piece of paper. And then you want to softly dab, dab, dab. If it's not dark enough, you can go back. That way it won't bleed under. And then repeat for the other part of the snowman's body. Once that's dry, you want to tie him together. Take your string and cut about a 4-inch or 5-inch piece of string, not too long. And you want to take a little bit of white glue, not included in your kit, and dip your end of your string into it and twist it tight to make it pointed. This will help you thread it through the little holes. You might want to take a toothpick and clean out the holes because you may have gotten paint in them. Then you just thread through the little holes and tie each part together, tying them in the back and clipping the strings. The last step will be to tie a loop of string to the top using the eye hook, and this is what you will hang it from the tree with. Repeat these steps for each one of your snowmen. Hope you enjoyed your kit.